Hi guys, according to the Hindu newspaper, 99 students have come back to IIM Bangalore. Yeah, out of them 60 students are for the EPGP program, the EPGP program, and 35 students are from the main PGB program, main our MBA program, the one we are CAT CET we will try for. Yeah, why they come back? Because college have allowed them to come back. Those who have internet issues, connectivity issue, want to start the new batch, they are allowed to come back to the campus. So 95 students are there who have been quarantined now. So out of these 99 students, 95 are quarantined for 14 days. That they will be staying inside only for 14 days, which I think is a very good step. Number one, obviously that's the main concern here. Those who don't have internet, how will they survive? How will they attend the classes? So college have allowed them to come back, which is a very, very good news. So they have been quarantined at home because of lack of internet connectivity in their hometown. They have come and joined the campus. The remaining 4 will complete the process in due course. Last week I made a video on that colleges can start, how the colleges can start in this coronavirus phase. Continuing that, there are two different hostels within the campus have been provided. All the entry points are blocked. The meals and food snacks will be provided by the contactless delivery. Obviously, all the classes are happening from home. You can attend the lecture from home, those who have joined the colleges. But those who have no internet at their home, so obviously they can join the campus. This is what the college is allowing them to do. Yep. This does not mean the classroom program have started. He added that the second year MBA students and the doctoral program students, all students irrespective of their location, all those on campus as well, will be taking the online classes unless government starts. So IIM Bangalore campus is operational because there are people, faculty living inside the campus. But classes have not been started. Classes will happen online only. If you cannot connect from the internet, you can come to the center, you can come to the office. But obviously staying home is a better, safer option. But yeah, जिसके घर इंटरनेट ही नहीं है यार, जिसके घर में, जिसके शहर में, तो बेचारा क्या करेगा? They have to come to campus. So those who are doubting ऑनलाइन में कैसे होगा, ये कैसे होगा, वो कैसे होगा, ऑनलाइन में पीयर टू पीयर कैसे होगा, ऑनलाइन में द कैंपस का जो मज़ा है वो कैसे होगा? यार, you are not going to do MBA for the मज़ा. That's not the main reason. Especially in this coronavirus phase, it's very, very difficult to even think of that. Obviously, you are paying 23 lakh of fees, which is a huge fees. But please try to understand, you are getting 26 lakh of package as well. Yeah, you are getting a good profile as well. You are getting a consulting firm as well. MBB, yeah, MBB में admission लेना, getting a job into MBB is almost impossible as a non-MBA. Very, very difficult. Here at IIM Bangalore, 160 students out of the 440 odd students in the campus have got into consulting. So long run में आपको benefit होगा. See, coronavirus is a short term thing. Yeah, today, tomorrow things will become normal. Yeah, so don't worry about that. It's an interim thing. Those who are preparing for MBA now, guys, you are going to get admission in 2021. Those who are in 2023 batch. By the time you pass out, or those who are joining now 2022 batch, things will become normal. Market will pick up the pace. Yeah. So quarantine, this is happening now in India. This is how the colleges will start. So IIM Bangalore have set a right example for all the other B schools to follow. Okay, those who cannot obviously stay at home, but those who can't stay at home, you have to be quarantined for some time and then the campus can start. Yeah, they have at IIM Bangalore, they have a MDC program, MDC center. MDP उसको कहते थे. That MDP is where even I stayed. MDC, Management Development Center, which is like a hotel for 120 bed hotel. So that is converted into a quarantine facility. Alright, how you feel about this, please do comment. All the best.